This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the system prerequisites. Secure boot and TPM2. 0. Reboot into UEFI/BIOS and enable secure boot if it is off. This prevents driver conflicts and meets Valorant's anti-cheat requirements. Once done, make sure TPM is activated in the firmware and Windows 11 has current updates applied. Outdated OS files often cause blockchain or driver signature issues. If Windows Update offered a security or firmware patch, install it now before moving to the next steps to avoid repeated failures. You now focus on the anti-cheat and drivers. Open services. MSC and restart the VGC service. This often clears startup lockouts. If that fails, open the Riot client, select Valorant, and choose Repair to force a Vanguard reinstall. This resolves corrupted service files. Next, update your GPU drivers from the manufacturer and confirm driver signature enforcement is intact because unsigned drivers break secure boot checks. Once these are complete, reboot into Windows so changes take full effect before testing Valorant. You finish by doing a full shutdown power cycle. Hold Shift and click Shutdown, wait 10 seconds, then power on. This clears residual firmware state and helps secure boot reevaluate signatures. If Valorant still blocks Vanguard, open Event Viewer and filter for VGC or Vanguard errors to identify missing files or permission blocks. As a last resort, briefly disable and re-enable Secure Boot in UEFI to re-sign drivers, but make sure to document settings and only change this if you understand firmware risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.